Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple and quick method to snooze chat notifications for 8 hours on the X app. Whether you're trying to focus on work, enjoy some downtime, or just need a break from constant pings, this feature can help you silence a specific chat without losing track of it completely. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the main home screen, look toward the bottom of the screen where you'll see different icons. Tap on the message icon. This will take you straight into your conversations, where you'll see all your recent chats lined up. Now, find the chat that you want to snooze. When you locate it, instead of tapping right away, press and hold your finger on that chat. This long press will open up a small menu with different options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Snooze Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. At this point, the app will give you a few choices for how long you'd like to snooze the notifications. Since we're focusing on an 8-hour break, select the option that says for 8 hours. That's it. You've now successfully snoozed notifications from that specific chat for the next 8 hours. During this time, you won't be disturbed by sounds or alerts from that conversation, but your messages will still be there, waiting for you when you're ready to check back in. This feature is especially useful if you have an active group chat that keeps buzzing during work hours, or if you want a peaceful night without being disturbed. It gives you control over your time without the need to mute conversations permanently. So the next time you need to focus or relax, remember these quick steps. Open the X app, tap on Messages, long press the chat, tap Snooze Notifications, choose for 8 hours. In just a few seconds, you've created some quiet space for yourself. Thanks for watching.